Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gelato coffee. First, gather your essential ingredients: 2 shots of espresso, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Using quality coffee beans will significantly enhance the flavor. Also, make sure your gelato maker's bowl is thoroughly pre-chilled. This preparation ensures a smooth and creamy texture for your homemade treat. Now, let's prepare the coffee base. Begin by brewing 2 strong shots of espresso. It's crucial to let them cool down entirely before proceeding. Next, gently combine the cooled espresso with 1 cup of rich whole milk in a mixing bowl. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until it is completely dissolved. This creates a perfectly balanced and flavorful liquid base for your gelato. With your coffee base ready, it's time for the exciting churning process. Carefully pour the entire coffee mixture into the pre-chilled bowl of your gelato maker. Allow the machine to churn for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. You'll notice the mixture gradually thickening and transforming into a delightful soft-serve consistency. This step is key to achieving that signature smooth and creamy gelato texture. Once churned, transfer your freshly made gelato into an airtight container. Place it in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours to allow it to firm up properly. When ready, scoop the perfectly chilled gelato into your favorite bowls or cones. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with some delicate chocolate shavings or a light sprinkle of cocoa powder. Enjoy your homemade gelato coffee.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.